Cadillac has stepped into the European safety spotlight with the all-new 2025 Optique, earning impressive results from the latest Euro NCAP tests. This fully electric small SUV scored 83% for adult occupant protection, 81% for child protection, 76% for vulnerable road users, and 74% for safety assist systems. Those ratings make it one of the strongest entries in Cadillac's growing electric lineup. During the frontal offset test, the Optique's passenger compartment remained stable, with good protection recorded for the knees, femurs, and chest of both driver and passenger. Cadillac demonstrated that protection levels would remain consistent for passengers of different sizes and seating positions. In side impact tests, the SUV scored maximum points, offering strong protection to all critical body regions. The far side test showed good occupant-to-occupant protection, although the brand received a minor penalty for not proving consistent symmetry across all seating positions. Rear-end whiplash protection was rated as good for the front seats, but marginal for the rear seats. The vehicle's advanced emergency call system, post-collision braking, and submergence safety checks added to its strong overall performance. For child safety, the Optique excelled. Both the 6-year-old and 10-year-old dummy tests recorded excellent protection in frontal and side impacts. The model also includes a direct child presence detection system that alerts if a child is left in the car. In pedestrian and cyclist safety, the Optique's automatic emergency braking performed effectively in various real-world scenarios, including dooring prevention for cyclists and reaction to motorcyclists. It even scored full points in the AEB motorcyclist category. Its driver assistance technology further strengthens its score. Features like intelligent adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and driver attention assist showed reliable performance in maintaining control and detecting driver fatigue or distraction. Overall, the 2025 Cadillac Optiq delivers strong safety performance, showing that Cadillac's shift toward electrification is matched by its commitment to protection and technology. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest vehicles and safety innovations.